Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading News. Come to you live, the Ric Flair of crypto, and what a poo-poo schmatter show we're seeing for crypto right now. And I'm here to tell you, don't have fear. Do not have fear. We got October is coming out there. We're going to be talking about what the heck is going on, what's causing crypto just to bleed out the way it is. It's not looking good. Also, looks like some interesting confessions also coming out about Biden administration out there. So what the heck is going on with crypto right now? Have no fear, guys. Yeah, we're feeling a little bit of pain right now, but I'm not worried. You know, I've been in crypto a long time. I'm telling you, I've seen this happen time and time again. So I'm not too freaking concerned. So guys, watch this video to the end. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen, when it's going to happen. And guys, huge price predictions. I still believe we're going to have huge price predictions for Bitcoin. We got big price prediction from CZ for Bitcoin, huge price predictions for Dogecoin XRP out there. So don't give up the fork, guys. We're going to also be talking about some of the technical resistance levels as well. So let's dive the freaking. Remember, all this is financial advice, just an OG in-house expressing my opinion out there. And yeah, you know, I'm kind of like, I've been shaking my head when it comes to crypto out there. And we're seeing a lot of leverage traders getting wrecked out there. It's not good, guys. So yeah, I know we're all feeling the pain. Don't forget to go back and watch all the videos. So let's dive into the poo-poo schmata right now. Let me turn off the notifications so we don't get interrupted with this video. So we are seeing a little bit of a rebound for Bitcoin right now, 0.38%. Nothing to write home about. XRP, we're seeing a little bit of a rebound too out there. Doge, a little bit of a rebound, but not too much. Some of the big movers right now is Aster, IMX, ZEC is up, Maker's up as well. But overall, we're not seeing too much happening out there. 0.3%. Like, what is that? XRP 0.7. Probably get the BNB is up 1.9%. Nice. Dogecoin is up 1.2%. So that is nice. But overall, things are just gonna go sideways. Basically, we're gonna have some ups and downs. I think October we're gonna fly again out there. We're seeing a total market cap right now is at 3.89 trillion. We need to be about 4 billion. We need to be 4 billion. Fear and greed for whole crypto market is not good, right? People like panicking, but it's a good time to buy, right? Good time, absolutely good time to buy. A lot of bargains out there. I kind of rebalanced my portfolio. I sold 30% of my XRP and bought Bitcoin, okay, at the lows. That's what I did. I rebalanced. So I've been taking profit on XRP on the way up. So I decided, look, I'm gonna commit myself, take 30% of my XRP and buy Bitcoin. That way I have a hedge out there. Dogecoin, I've not touched it. Still got my Dogecoin. Still got my Solana out there. Still holding strong. Out there. So overall, yeah, things are starting to go green. So that's pretty good. Dogecoin is up it's 24.27 right now. So that is good freaking news out there. So I'm happy about that. We're at 129. So like I said, Doge has this huge cup of handle, and there should be some more breakout upside for this huge cup of handle. This is on the daily, on the weekly. So we're seeing a huge cup of handle. We could get a breakout soon, but don't expect anything to happen until October, okay? Huge Dogecoin price prediction, huge Bitcoin price prediction coming up, and yeah, XRP price prediction as well. So we're seeing XRP is up at 288 right now. So remember, we were here. We did go as low as 280. We've come back up as well, 8 cents, so not too bad. Fear and greed for Bitcoin right now is 44. People are not happy. What do we got announcement wise? Let me give this a minute to refresh. Here we go. It's the 24th here in Asia. We got nothing much happening. We got GDP coming tomorrow, so let's keep an eye on that. We're not going to see any move. We're probably going to see some bot sell off before the announcements as well. So this is really striking. We're seeing right now, we're still seeing a lot of longs being freaking liquidated like crazy out there. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, others. Doge, not so much. XRP, not so much in terms of liquidations. Basically, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, these are being liquidated. Let's go back and take a look at the Solana price for a second. Let's go get that. So Solana right now is 212. It's 212. It's okay, guys. It's okay. So let's take a look at the chart. We're seeing Dogecoin right now. We had this is cup of handle on the daily. I still believe that this pattern is still playing out. I still think we're going to get a nice rise. Remember, we got 30 cents as our resistance. Don't expect anything to happen for Doge until October. I think we'll hit 30 cents in October. I believe that. Huge price prediction for Dogecoin. I believe we're going to hit 30 cents in October. That's what I'm thinking out there. I'm really thinking that 30 cents is coming in. Looks like Dogecoin is forming a pattern on the daily as well. We're seeing that, and Trader Tardigrade is saying, the top of this line is around about 31 cents. The bottom of this is about 29 cents. So I think 30 cents definitely coming in October. Not financial advice, just where I think it's going to happen. That's my price prediction. This is Dogecoin price prediction out there. So that's what I'm thinking. So what is going on? Here are some of the reasons why I believe Bitcoin and much of crypto market has dropped. Okay, let me make this bigger so you guys can see this. We're going to go through this. Some of you may find it boring, but I think you guys need to know this. Okay, basically there are a mix of observed data, market structure, and psychology. So it's like market structure and psychology. Okay, not certainties, but plausible cases. Okay, what is happening? We're seeing mass liquidations. I told you that. A lot of traders in derivatives, futures, perpetuals. I've been longing. They're getting wiped out. We're in long betting the price would go up. Positions with leverage, because the price slipped, even with a little, it triggered automatic liquidations, which pushed the price down further and further, and kind of like a cascading. It causes cascade, right? Causing more liquidation and a cascading effect. Okay, so it's important to understand. Once you start selling, it creates a cascade, and this pushes the price lower and lower. Okay, so also number two, we're seeing overextended bullish sentiment, overbought conditions. People overbought, okay, and the sentiment is too overly bullish, hence the long positions. Okay, before the drop, many believe the market might continue strongly upwards. Expectations boosted by positive macro signs like the rate drops. Okay. When things don't go strongly bullish right away, markets tend to pull back. Some technical indicators suggested the market was overheating, and it was. And that is why, market makers manipulate the market. You guys were bullish. You guys aped in leverage trade, bang. And they said, we're not going to have any of that. Remember, exchanges are the ones that win, okay? So also the unwinding after Federal Rate Reserve cut. Risk management tone. There was a recent interest rate cut by the Fed, we know that, but its language was cautious, more risk management than aggressive easing. Okay, investors who had speculated that this cut would kick off a big rally pushed in, but the cautious signals seem to have tampered enthusiasm, causing some to pull back. So it wasn't like, yeah, we're out of the woods, everything is perfect. It pulled back. Also, too, we had profit taking, right? After price run-ups, some participants chose to lock in gains. When big holders or whales begin taking profits, this can also trigger smaller holders to sell too, adding more selling pressure. This is especially potent when many are expecting further gains. Okay, also too, we saw weaker support levels, technical breakdowns. Example, the price fell through some key support zone. Example, Bitcoin struggled to hold 110, 112. We're back up at 113, which also tends to trigger more selling as well. And when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. It's just normal, okay? So psychology and sentiment feedback loops. Fear tends to escalate. Once certain thresholds are breached, like large liquidations, breaking support levels, media reports of a big drop can trigger more selling, which leads to more negatives. It's like manifest destiny, right? It drops, the news says it drops. People think it's going to drop. It's just crazy, right? So if you took a look at the magnitude key data, about 1.5 billion crypto positions were liquidated in recent sessions. Over 407,000 traders exited leveraged positions in the derivatives market in a short period. Some coins like Ethereum, Solana dropped significantly, okay? So that's what the freak is going on. That is why this is happening. We see this time and time again, part manipulation, part psychology, part fundamentals, okay? All right, that's what's going on, okay? So what's in the news right now? So Justin, CEO Brian Armstrong says Bitcoin could reach $1 million by 2030, okay? Hey, Sam Bankman Fried Chicken, he just posted from jail. What? What's going on with that? Justin, Binance founder CZ calls to reduce fees on BNB chain by another 50%. Nice. Also, this just came in. It looks like Justin, YouTube admits the Biden administration pressured them to censor Americans' offers, terminated channels. Let me read that again. So, Justin, YouTube admits that Biden administration pressured them to censor Americans, offers terminated channels opportunity to rejoin the platform. Oh, okay, Americans offers terminated channels. Okay, so maybe people are going to rejoin. Justin, President Trump says stock market is doing better than it's ever been. Okay. Justin, China's Huawei announces 3-year plan to overtake NVIDIA. Nice. Morgan Stanley, Justin, 1.3 trillion Morgan Stanley to offer Bitcoin crypto trading in the first half of 2026. Hold your crypto. Justin, Michael Sayre says Bitcoin is money, everything else is credit. Okay. Justin, SEC to allow crypto companies to launch products in the U.S. without burdensome regulations. We need that. Justin, Visa, Stripe, and Fold partner to launch Bitcoin credit card. Nice, nice. Justin, White House official says they expect crypto market structure bill to pass this year. Also nice. Jim Cramer says he wants to see a pause in the endless rally of crypto. Okay, so that means crypto's going up. Okay. Justin, 21 share spot Dogecoin ETF has been listed on the DCC under the ticker TDOG. I like that. TDOG. Get some TDOG. Get some TDOG. So we got some positive news. Basically psychology and sentiment, guys. That's what's going on. Guys, so don't panic out there. Also, go down there, check out my link to Blowfin. And guys, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, YB, share. And we're doing the charity thing. I appreciate some super thanks to some super love out there. I appreciate that. I would appreciate that very, very much, guys. So that's kind of all I got. So don't panic. Have no fear. Okay, be well, be blessed. I'll see you in the freaking next time. Peace out.